Wide arm press-ups build a strong back and chest by placing your grip as wide as possible and performing reps. Adding additional strain to the standard press-up, this exercise targets the outer pectoral. Close grip push-ups turn your hands slightly inwards, place them together so your thumbs and forefingers form a triangle. Perform a press-up with your arms tucked. This focuses on the inner pectoral and tricep. Weighted push-ups with either a weighted vest or a weights plate placed on your upper back, you can add a huge amount of resistance to your standard press-up. Adding resistance causes more muscle recruitment and more micro tears, helping to build more mass as a result. Resistance band push-ups. Get a resistance band, hold the handles in each hand with the strap looped over your back and perform push-ups. This will create tension that forces you to control each rep. Plyometric push-ups. A simple but rewarding way to add resistance to your push-up is to perform plyometric push-ups. Explode upwards on your press so your hands leave the floor. Perform a clap to measure how far off the floor you get. Dropping push-ups. Place two objects, usually a small workout step, but can be replaced with books, that can take your weight on each side of you, then perform the downwards portion of a push-up on them. Drop your hands in the middle, to the floor, and then press up and jump back up to the objects with your hands. One-arm push-ups. For the true mavericks amongst you, the one-arm press-up is a terrific way to build mass in the arms and chest and also prove your strength. Place your feet wider than normal and keep your elbows close to your body. Handstand push-up. The elite variation of the push-up, handstand press-ups can first be trained against a wall. They're amazing for shoulder strength and building your chest, arms and wrists. Perform them by kicking up into a handstand and resting your feet against a wall. Then press down so your head is almost touching the floor before pressing back up. Once you've trained against a wall, you can experiment with freestanding handstand press-ups by learning to balance. If you're overbalancing with your feet falling forward, dig in with your fingers. When under balancing, back towards your feet, you'll need to dig in with the heel of your hand. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.